Bob, you got a package.
Is it?
Yes,
It's here.
it's what you've been waiting for.
Package, man. I got a package! What do you think is this?
Toothpaste.
What is happening, guys? It's your boy A-Biz Abroad. You know what it is. Another day of unboxing. Well, today I got a package. I got a package. I wasn't expecting this to come today, but it arrived. So pretty happy about that. That was quick. I bought it like a couple of days ago. I didn't really expect it to be that quick. Props to Foot Locker Australia sending this very quick. I got it right here now. So guess what it is? Excited to open it. Bit heavy. Let's see. Okay. Initially, inside the box, you will see like an invoice. It says delivered to TCS warehouse. That's the Foot Locker in Murari, QLD. All right. Oh, so that's why it was so quick, because it's just in Queensland, where I'm from. I got my name here and stuff, which you don't need to see, right? All right, initial. Jordan box, Jumpman logo on white with a baby blue front of the box. How do you say that? All right, got another papers here. What does it says? It just, this is the invoice. Alright, the invoice is company, and then the shoes. I got the shoes and my address and my email. And online, they got online return form, which I really don't need it. The box itself, you know, put it a bit wider. Box itself, initial. Well, they handled it pretty good, pretty impressive. The box is alright, no damage at all. And this is, I bought this exactly my size. That's 10.5, 10.5, exactly my size, because the last time I bought the shoes, that was the pine green, the Jordan 1 pine green. It was an 11. This one, 10.5, exactly my size. Jumpman logo here, which says Air. Same on the other side. This one, I love the box size, just the box, man. On the baby blue. All right, let's open it. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, wow, look at the box, man. Impressive. Inside of the box, it's red, and they imprinted elephant print together with this paper here. Oh, I love that smell of the brand new shoes. You know, when you open a brand new shoes and you have this certain smell, man. It smells like rubber, like a fresh brand new rubber, and I don't know, it just smells so good. Glue, I guess, glue. Oh, I love that smell of that. And voila, this is it. Day Jordan 3 UNC
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
The Jordan 3 UNC or the Valor Blue. Ooh, damn. Oh, nice. Oh, I love the smell of a brand new shoes. All right, a bit of an introduction on the shoes. The Jordan 3 UNC, this is the closest to the PE or the players exclusive. I saw it on Facebook, and he was talking about PE, like what does PE means, and he said physical education.
Bruh.
Instead of like insulting the guy or anything like that, you should teach the guy, like inform the guy what really PE means. So PE means players exclusive. It's not physical education. Get it right. So on the side, the back, The insole. What I noticed about the shoes, man, the leather, brilliant. It's too good. The only thing that I kinda, just the embroidering of this Jumpman logo here. So if they put UNC here, this shoes will be on fire. But you know, that's a players exclusive that they put a Jumpman logo in, which they embroidered it, and it's kind of thick. Well, if you could see it very closely, it looks like Jordan has like a butt cheeks right there, if you can see it. But other than that, the shoes itself, it's on fire, man. I mean, overall, like the leather itself, the quality of the leather, I mean, holy moly. And the smell, of course, it smells brand new, of course. Just this one, just this. I kind of not like it, but it's okay. Alright, just the Jumpman logo here. It's just too thick. Too thick that it looks like Jordan got a butt cheeks right here. Right, but other than that, it's so good. Retail for this, just to say it again, it's $260. But on StockX right now, the resale for this one is around $300 to $350. That's not much profit to it, but for me, I'm not gonna flip it. I'm gonna rock this, wear it. But the only problem with the shoes, you have to have a shoe cleaner, a good one, just to keep it fresh, keep it icy, because since you know it's obviously white, it is so attractive to dirt, easy to get it dirty. So happy with this purchase. The box itself, man, it's impressive. I mean, look, inside the box is just red, which is pretty sexy. I find it sexy at all. And I got the other pair here. There's no extra lace, shoelaces, but these shoes will look good in white itself, like in white shoelace itself. On the left pair, it says sole in the inside of the tongue, and the right pair, it says heart. So sole heart. Too happy for this. I'm gonna rock this. I'm gonna wear it, like if you wear shorts, if you wear jeans, man, this will look good. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Come on, man, do it. Subscribe, press the bell button, like if you liked it. I'll see you in the next unboxing. I got a lot of shoes to unbox, and I got a lot of shoes to buy. Don't worry about it, because I'm not wasting money, to be honest. I'm not gonna go on to the detail, but let's put it this way, I'm not spending any money. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you do like the video, and if you want more on this channel, please press the bell button, the black bell button, and then so you can be updated on the next vlog that I will do, or the next unboxing that I will do. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, you fun to God. Let's get it.